Money isn't math. It's behavior, emotion, patience, perspective. Master those, and you don't just grow richer, you grow calmer. This is Moments of Money. There was a man who worked as a janitor. He swept floors. He fixed cars at a gas station. He lived quietly in a small town in a modest 2-bedroom house. No flashy lifestyle. No luxury cars. No Wall Street career. When he died in 2014, the world discovered something shocking. The janitor was worth over $8 million. Not from a lottery. Not from inheritance. Not from some secret business. He simply saved consistently and waited. That man's name was Ronald Read. And his story exposes one uncomfortable truth most people don't want to hear. Being good with money has very little to do with intelligence, and everything to do with behavior. In the next few minutes, you will hear 10 lessons from the psychology of money that completely changed how I see wealth, success, and happiness. These ideas aren't flashy. They won't make you rich overnight, but they might save you from years of regret. Lesson 1. Money is a soft skill. We're taught that money is math. Budgets, spreadsheets, percentages. But real financial decisions don't happen on spreadsheets. They happen at dinner tables, during arguments, in moments of fear, when ego is bruised, when envy creeps in. Morgan Housel says it best. Financial success is not a hard science, it's a soft skill. A Harvard graduate can go broke. A janitor can become wealthy, because money rewards patience, humility, and emotional control, not IQ. Lesson 2. Pay the price. Everyone wants high returns. Few people want the price. The price of investing is volatility. If your portfolio drops 20% and you panic, you weren't investing. You were renting confidence. Volatility isn't a punishment. It's the entry fee. Just like effort is the price of fitness, and discipline is the price of freedom. You don't get rewards without discomfort. Lesson 3. Never enough is a trap. A man earning $500,000 envies the man earning $1 million. The millionaire envies the billionaire. The billionaire envies someone richer still. There is no finish line in comparison. Some of the most successful people in history ruined everything because they couldn't say, "This is enough." They risked what they had and needed for what they didn't have and didn't need. The hardest financial skill is not earning more. It's getting the goalpost to stop moving. Lesson 4. No one is crazy. People do crazy things with money, but no one is actually crazy. Your view of money is shaped by when you were born, what your parents earned, inflation you lived through, crashes you experienced. Someone who lived through the Great Depression fears stocks. Someone who got rich in a bull market trusts risk. Same world, different lenses. Understanding this makes you wiser and less judgmental. Lesson 5. Compounding is quiet than loud. Warren Buffett made over 99% of his wealth after age 50. Not because he suddenly got smarter, because time did the heavy lifting. Compounding feels slow until it isn't. Most people quit too early because results don't show fast enough. But wealth is built in silence, then revealed all at once. Lesson 6. Luck and risk are always present. Bill Gates was brilliant, but he also attended one of the only schools in the world with a computer in the 1,960 seconds. 1 in a million luck. His equally brilliant friend died in a mountaineering accident. 1 in a million risk. Same talent. Different outcomes. Success is never 100% skill. Failure is never 100% stupidity. Respect luck. Respect risk. Stay humble. Lesson 7. Control time, not things. The greatest dividend money pays is freedom. Not cars. Not watches. Not admiration. Freedom to Choose how you spend your day. Walk away from bad situations. Say no without fear. Wealth is not what you show. It's what gives you control over your time. Lesson 8. Wealth is what you don't see. That luxury car? You see it. What you don't see? The savings account. The investments. The stress avoided. True wealth is invisible. Every upgrade you decline adds quietly to your future freedom. Lesson 9. Reasonable beats rational. Perfect plans fail. Reasonable plans survive. You don't need the best strategy. You need one you can stick to when fear hits. Being reasonable keeps you in the game, and staying in the game matters more than brilliance. Lesson 10. Optimism builds, pessimism sells. Bad news spreads fast. Crashes are dramatic. Progress is boring. But over decades, markets recover. Technology improves. Life gets better. Pessimism sounds smart. Optimism compounds wealth. Money isn't math. It's behavior, emotion, patience, perspective. Master those, and you don't just grow richer. You grow calmer. This is Moments of Money.